Hi, in this video I will show you how to edit header and footer. Header is created as a component, and that means that you need to change it in one place and the changes will be reflected all over the website. Go to Assets, Navigation, Top Navigation to open the header component. As you see, here you can edit a logo, button, and switcher button for light, dark mode. I will show you how to change a logo. To change the logo across the entire template, you need to replace it in two places inside the top navigation component. The first location is in the left framer panel, Layers, Logo Animation, Path. I will create a new logo directly in Framer and replace the default one. When replacing the template logo with your own, make sure it is a vector, SVG, created with a stroke, a vector line with width, to enable the animation effect. For best results, design your logo as a single, continuous path. The second place to replace the logo is also inside the top navigation component. This time, you'll be updating the background logo, the light gray vector logo. In the left framer panel, navigate to Layers, Top Navigation, Logo, Path, and there, copy your new logo. Delete the old one, and for a new one, set a right color. Make sure all is centered and you are done. The animation effect will work automatically, but again, only if your new logo is made as a vector with a stroke. If you have any additional questions, feel free to contact us via our website, cocobasic.com.